Hello students, in this video you will learn about area and perimeter of square and rectangle. A square is a quadrilateral, is a four-sided polygon in which all the sides are equal. So we'll just fastly do some questions based on the formulas that we have here. So all the sides of a square are equal. Let's say A. And perimeter, is the length of the boundary, means we need to add up the length of the boundary. Okay, so as all sides are equal, so to find the perimeter of a square, we just do 4 into side. And if perimeter is given, we need to find the side, we just divide perimeter by 4. And area, the area of a square formula is side into side. So let us just use the formula and solve this question. Find the area of a square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. So now perimeter is given to you. Side I have written is perimeter divided by 4. So perimeter is 320 divided by 4. You can cancel it up. 80. That's 80 meter. You got the side. Why I am taking out side here? Because I have to calculate area. And area I know is what? Side into side. So area is side into side. Solve it. 80 meter into 80 meter. So what will it become? 6400, and there are 2 meters here multiplying, meter square, or you can write it as square meter. That's your answer. I hope this is clear. Let's move to the next question. For the next question, I have written this formula over here. So I'll be using it. Let me tell you what it is. Here the question says, find the perimeter of a square park whose area is 256 meters square. Now the area is given. Area is given. How will I get the side? Over here, some students have seen they just divide area also by 4 to get the side. You don't have to do like that. Here, I have written some perfect square numbers. Okay, and if you remember in the last page, the side was given by square root of area. This symbol, what I have made over here, is called as square root. Square root is opposite of square. Okay, now area, I know what the formula of area is. Side into side. What is area? 256 meter square. Let's check if it is a perfect square number or no. Perfect square meaning that it's a square of a number. Square means if you multiply a number with itself, you represent it as 2 square and that becomes 4. और 4 का square root उल्टा बन जाता है 2. I hope this is clear. So यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं, you will learn this thing in your 7th grade. So let's see over here, 256 is here. I have 256 is a square of 16. Okay, so this is basically 16 meter into 16 meter. So your side is 16 meter here. Now side is 16 meter, perimeter is easy to find. 4 into side, which is 4 into 16, 64 meter. You got the answer. Now if I say area of the square is 121 meter square, so you know the side is 11. It's not area divided by 4. Remember that. You need to check the square number. Okay, the number whose square is that area. Always. I hope this is clear. Okay, students. Now let's move to the next part. Next part is area and perimeter of a rectangle. Rectangle again is a four-sided polygon, a special quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. So these opposite sides, one we say is length L, the other one we say as breadth or B. So to get the perimeter means length of the boundary, we just add them L plus L, B plus B, because there are double length and double breadth. So you can say 2L plus 2B and you take 2 common L plus B. If you have done algebra, you can understand it very well. So this is what the formula of your perimeter. Now if perimeter is given or any of these L or B are given to you, so how do you calculate the other side? So I've written over here, length is what? You divide perimeter by 2 minus breadth, you will get length. If breadth you have to find out, divide perimeter by 2 minus length. Okay. Area formula for rectangle, I think people know very well that it's length into breadth. So now let's do some questions and then it'll be easy to understand. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length and breadth are 150 centimeter, 1 meter respectively. So length is 150, breadth is 1 meter. Units are different here. This is centimeter, this is meter. So first step always is you have to make the unit same. Okay. So here it is easy to convert them into centimeter because they didn't ask you to find perimeter in meters or centimeters. So let's do it. So breadth is 1 meter, which I can say is 100 centimeter. Length is 150 centimeter. So perimeter I know is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into length is 150 plus breadth is 100 centimeter will be your unit. So it's 2 into 250, which comes out to be, I'll write here, 500 centimeter. I hope this is also clear, student. Now move to the next question. This is the thing where you'll use the formula that length is perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth, because here perimeter is given to you as 130 centimeter, breadth of the rectangle 30 centimeter, find the length and also find the area of the rectangle. So let's go one by one. So I'll say length will be equals to perimeter divided by 2 minus breadth. Find out the length. 130 divided by 2 minus 30. What will that be? 65 minus 30, which is how much? 35 units are centimeter. Okay, done. We got the length. Now area we know is what? L into B. So let's do it. L is 35 into breadth is 30. Both are centimeter, centimeter. So I'll say centimeter square. So what will be this? You will get it as 0, 3 5s are 15, 1 carry over, 1050 centimeter square. Done. We are done with the question. Next question. Length of a field, rectangular field, is 3 times the breadth. Very important statement. Sometimes they say twice the breadth, 4 more than breadth. So you need to represent length in terms of breadth. So let's say length is L and it is thrice the breadth, means it will be multiplied by 3. The breadth will be multiplied by 3. This is your L. Now I know the formula for perimeter, 2L plus B. So very easy step, I'll tell all to you people that here 2 is being multiplied here. So what I do is divide the perimeter by 2 always. It's easy to solve it like that. Okay. Let's move here. So when I divide it, perimeter is 800 divided by 2. Length is 3B. Put it over here. This length, instead of length, I write 3B. Now 800 divided by 2 is 400. 3b plus b, if you know algebra, is 4b. Now b will be 400 divided by 4. So you get b as 100 meter here because the units are meter here. Breadth you get 100 meters. So what will be length if breadth is 100? So 3 into 100 meter, which will be 300 meter. Okay students, I hope this is also clear to you. Very easy we are trying to solve them. Let's move to next question. Next question says that area of a square park is same as that of a rectangular park. So it means you have a square. So it's written area of this square park is equals to area of rectangular park. We know the formula of square park, square and rectangle. So it will be side into side and rectangle is length into breadth. Okay. Let's go to the question more. What is it saying? If the side of the square is 60 meter and length of the rectangle is 90 meter. So from here, what will you get? The area. Side into side, 60 meter into 60 meter. And this is area of rectangle. We will get this. So how much is this? 60, 60 is 3600 meter square. That's the area of rectangle. Okay. You got the area of rectangle. Now you have to find breadth of the rectangular park. If area is given, length is given, how to get the breadth? Breadth is area divided by length. So area is 3600 meter square. Length is 90 meter. Let's cancel it out. 1010, 9 4s are 36, so 40, and 1 meter will cancel it out. So you have breadth as 40 meter. I hope this is also clear. Let's move to the next question. Next question says that Sabina wants to cover the floor of her room whose length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter by square tiles. So you have a room. Sabina has a room like this. So its length is 4 meter. This is 3 meter. It's not drawn to scale. Now she wants to cover them with square tiles. The tiles are square in shape, okay, and each square tile is 20 centimeter. So the shape of the tile 20 centimeter, well, I'll just take approximately like this. So this she has to do, cover this whole part with these square tiles. You need to find out the number of tiles required to cover the floor of her room. She need to get the number of tiles. Now here, always take care whenever you have to get number of tiles, number of envelopes, all those type of questions. So number of tiles will be equals to, you have to get area of floor divided by area of one tile, one smaller thing. The bigger area, the room floor will have the bigger area, okay, and the tile has the smaller area. So to get the number of tiles, you have to do the whole floor area divided by the one tile area. You will get number of tiles. Now maybe your teacher will say find out the area of floor separately, then find out the area of tile separately, and then do it. You can do it directly also. Area of the floor is rectangular shape, so you know you can write it here also step by step. It's L into B. Okay, tile is square tile, so you can say it is side into side. But here you see there is a unit conversion. The floor is in meters, the tile is in centimeters. Okay, so better as meter easy to convert into centimeter, do it like that, because when you convert 20 to meter you'll get a decimal number and then you will get confused. So length is how much? 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and this is how much? 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. 4 meter I can write as 400 centimeter. 3 meter 300 centimeter divided by 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Centimeter all cancels out, you can cancel these also easily. So 20 say when you cancel, 20 20s are 400, and here it will be 15. So you will have 20 into 15. How many tiles coming out to be? 0 and 300 tiles. Okay, this is done. You can do it separately. Find the area of floor, find the area of tile. After conversion of units, then you do it. So I'll take up this in the next slide. I'll try to show you in the way you do in school generally. Now here, let's move to next question first. The length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 5:4. If its perimeter is 108 meter, find the dimension of the rectangle. So here in this question, first step, let length and breadth are 5x, 4x. You can do like that. Let length is equals to 5x, breadth is equals to 4x. Perimeter formula you know is 2L plus B. Perimeter is 108. Divide by 2 and L plus B. So over here, when you divide it, you will get 54, and L is 5x, B is 4x. So you solve it. 54 is 9x. So value of x comes out to be 54 divided by 9, which is how much? 6. X we got as 6. Whenever we got x as 6, I can find the length and breadth. Dimensions are only the length and breadth. So what is length from here? 5 into 6, which is 30. Units are meter because perimeter is given in meters. Breadth is 4 into 6, 24 meter. Okay. There is one more way of doing it. You divide this perimeter first by 2, you'll get 54. Then you know the ratio, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 5 by 9 into 54 will give you length. 4 by 5 of 54 will give you breadth. There are different ways of doing. It's your wish which way you find it easier to do. Okay, students, I hope this is clear. Now let me go to the previous question again, where you find area of floor. You say is what? L into B. So it was 4 meter into 3 meter. I think it's that only, 12 meter square. Okay. Then area of 1 square tile. You will take it as how? It will be side into side because it's square tile, and it was what? 20 centimeter into 20 centimeter, which comes out to be 400 centimeter square. Now when you do in this way, I have seen few students, they see okay ये बड़ा number आ रहा है 400, ये छोटा है, they just do उल्टा division. 400 से 12 को divide कर देते हैं. They don't bother to check about units. It's very important. You can't divide until unless you change the units. Okay students, please take care of that. तो आपका number of tiles will be area of floor divide by area of one square tile. एरिया ऑफ फ्लोर अभी कन्वर्जन करना है मीटर स्क्वायर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप दिस इज 1 मीटर स्क्वायर नाउ आई हैव सीन सम स्टूडेंट्स दे विल जस्ट से 12 ये 12 मीटर स्क्वायर है वो लिखेंगे खाली 1200 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर डन इज इट करेक्ट नो दिस इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग यहाँ पे मीटर स्क्वायर है इट्स मीटर स्क्वायर नॉट सिंगल मीटर 1 meter is 100 centimeter students 1 meter square meaning is it's 1 meter into 1 meter दो बार meter आ रहा है it's twice so you have to do 100 into 100 centimeter square okay so 1 meter square is how much this much centimeter square very important step here okay या आप बेस्ट वे है इसको मीटर को चेंज करो 400 सेंटीमीटर 3 मीटर को चेंज करो 300 सेंटीमीटर and then you write it as 120000 centimeter square okay one is this way another way आपने मीटर स्क्वायर लिखा उसके बाद you know 1 meter square is 10,000 so write 10,000 centimeter square and you will get the same thing okay अब आप डिवीजन करेंगे नाउ यू हैव टू डिवाइड सो इट इज 12,0000 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर बाय 400 centimeter square now you see centimeter square cancels out 2 zeros and 4 300 so you got 300 tiles I hope this is clear students because सबसे ज्यादा कंफ्यूजिंग या यूनिट कन्वर्जन होता है so please take care of that okay Okay, I think now it's clear. I wind up here. Thank you for watching the video and keep practicing.